Hello everyone, welcome to Code for Placement, and in today's tutorial we are going to look into the where clause in SQL. Okay, so earlier I have told you that we are going to use the where clause to filter out the queries. Okay, so for example, let's say we only want to get the customer where the points is greater than 3000, so I'm going to use the where condition with the point is greater than 3000. Okay, so here if I'm going to run this command, so what we will be getting as output as whatever the result we are getting, so that will always have the point more than 3000. Okay, so let's execute this query in our system. So and you're going to iterate this. You can see the point we are getting is more than 3000. Okay, so if I'm going to use the same where condition with anything else, like where condition can be written in any other way, any other optimization way, greater than equal to, or less than equal to, or we can have equal to, like if you want to check it, or not equal to. So these all are the condition. I can use it with the where condition, or these both can be done it in the not equal to. Okay, so for not equal to we can use all of these things. So if you want to sorry, excuse me. So if you want, we can have this points accordingly. Okay, instead of that, if I'm going to use state, so where the state is equal to va, right? So if I'm going to use this state is equal to va, so all the state which is like having the va as a value, I will be getting as an output with this where clause. Okay, hope this is clear. This is absolutely clear. So either a single or double quoted, I can use it. Okay, and apart from this, I need to close this one. So with, if you can see the output which I got it, if I'm going to scroll till right and state, you can see it is a VA. Okay, so here I can use it double quote and single quote both. Okay, so this is one of the where condition use it. I can even go in a lowercase way. Okay, so this is again a case sensitive. I will be using keyword only with the uppercase, rest everything I will be using as a lowercase, right? So if I'm using VA as a, if I'm going to use state not equal to VA, right? So I will be getting explanatory mark and is equal to, so I will be getting all the state which is not equal to VA, right? So if you can see the state is FL, XTX, or like any other state which is VA. So this is one of the implementation in where condition. Okay, so we change our condition in birth date. Okay, so greater than, once again we are going to use this quote, and to represent the date value, even through the date are actually not a string, but in the SQL language we should enclose this date with a quote. Okay, so here we have this 1990 01. Okay, and 01. So this is what the 1st January as a date of 1990. So if I'm going to put this particular condition and 4 digit of the year, 2 digit of the month, and 2 digit as a date, so let's check the output. You can see the birth date, the output you will be getting as like this one. Okay, so it is showing a detail error actually. So we have this column birth underscore date. Okay, so if I'm having this birth underscore as date, so let's execute this one more time. Yes, so we got it. So birth date is greater than 1990 1st January. So whatever the date is greater than this, I got it as an output, that is 1991, 1992, 1993, 4th of 9th month and 17th of 7th month. Now let's come back and hit one exercise. Okay, so get the order place this year. Okay, so I am going to do this exercise. I'm just going to tell you the question what we are going to do. I want you to write a query to get the order that is placed in this year. Okay, so let's solve this. So look at the order table and we can see the column have the 3 based on the maths and the query in the where clause. Okay, so here the order of this we can write is a select star from order where the order date is greater than or equal to 1st January 2019. Okay, so today is 2019, so I'm just 2019 1st January I'm taking as today's date. You can take anything, sys date also you can take it, but I'm just taking it the 1st January 2019. So greater than this date, so don't worry about it. Later we can clause I will show you where to write a query and to get the order place to the current year as well. Okay, so I will show you that as well, so don't worry about it. Let's hit and run this query. You can see all the dates which is order which is greater than this. Thank you so much guys, and do subscribe to Code for Placement, and we will meet you in the same way with more such videos and tutorials for you guys. Thank you so much. Do subscribe.